Gin and Dairy has a vision to be a sustainable community of international significance, and one of the areas that we're focusing on is our energy systems. So with the first stage of Gin and Dairy, we're looking at an all-electric home energy solution. And today we're here to cook some traditional Chinese dishes on an induction cooktop.
Induction is a really fast way of cooking anything. It's very powerful. The reason it's so fast is that it works completely differently to all other technologies. It actually works through a process of magnetism, and it actually heats up the vessel rather than the cooktop itself being heated up. David is cooking the dumplings on the induction cooktop, adding a bit of oil for fried dumplings, right? He's got the induction cooktop on maximum and you'll see how quickly it heats up and starts to fry the dumplings. You can already hear that sizzle.
I'm cooking kung pao chicken. It's a Sichuan cuisine. You can tell it heats up quickly.
So you put the chicken in the water?
In water,
right.
Yes.
Is induction more powerful than gas?
Yes, it's definitely. It heats up very quick, and it does a great job for the pan fry or stir fry, wok fry.
Yeah.
You know, in China, it's quite common to use induction cooktop, especially for commercials.
Right.
Yeah.
So for this induction cooktop, do you need to use a special wok?
No. It's, as long as it's a flat wok, it will work properly.
So what are you going to do now? Add some oil?
Olive oil.
Yep. Some Sichuan pepper and some chili.
Ginger, shallot.
And garlic. And so you've had to actually turn that down. It's so powerful.
Yeah, so powerful, yeah.
Is that vinegar, black vinegar and soy sauce?
Yeah, vinegar, Chinese vinegar.
Yep.
So we put it in half. Cornstarch.
Oh yeah, cornstarch
Yeah.
and some water. Yep.
And more power.
Turn it up again.
Yeah.
It's got a lot of control. You can make it go low quickly or high quickly.
Yes. Okay, done.
Wow, that was quick.
Yeah, very quick.
And looks beautiful. Look at those beautiful colours.
Thank you so much.
Also, it's extremely easy to clean, as you see. Just give it a wipe down and you're ready. Oh, wow. Wow, that's amazing. Pan-fried dumplings.
Yes, Chinese kung pao chicken.